Mr. Governor, I want to play a game. For years now you have done away with all that was needed to keep the public hospitals going. At the end of this hall you have to choose one of 3 doors, where my machines are waiting for you. You might end up with all your limbs broken, or a hair fracture on your ribcage that could break open and puncture your lung or heart at any time. Then one of the state's ambulances is going to take you to one of the hospitals, and you'll be taken care by the many doctors you have ignored so far. It might be one of the doctors you keep unsupervised, that is absent half the time, or maybe you'll get one of the good ones, without any of the basic equipment to patch you up. You'll get to choose which hospital you're going to, but you won't choose which doctors will take care of you. Maybe it'll be one of the many people you've been moving around for no reason. I wonder if you even know who is where. Do your job and live, or fuck it up and die. It's your choice.